Chapter 2, Physiology. Unit 4, Yawning. Listen to part of a lecture in a physiology class.
Let's continue our discussion on physiological reactions. Today, we'll focus on yawning. Why do you think people yawn?
I believe that people yawn when there is too much carbon dioxide and not enough oxygen in their blood.
Good answer, but actually, that's just a theory. Nobody really knows why we yawn. According to the theory, part of our brain realizes this and triggers us to yawn. And our mouth stretches, we inhale deeply, sending a shot of oxygen to the lungs and into the bloodstream. But consider Adelie penguins, for example. They actually yawn as part of their wooing ritual. Couples face each other and the males stand with their beaks wide open and face towards the sky. So I can say that there is no scientifically solid evidence to prove the theory that we yawn when we need oxygen.
But, Professor, I think I yawn more frequently when I feel bored.
The fact that you're feeling bored doesn't necessarily mean that you need more oxygen. So you can't argue for the close connection between the lack of oxygen and the subsequent presence of yawning.
I see your point. So, is it also misleading to say that yawning is contagious?
Oh, yawning does trigger another yawning. Next time you're with a group of your friends, try this out. Take a big yawn, don't forget to cover your mouth, and wait to see how many other people yawn. There's a good chance others will also yawn. In fact, before I finish my lecture, it is likely that some of you will yawn at least once.
Oh, I don't think your lecture is so boring.
Thanks! What I'm trying to say is, just talking about yawning will make you yawn, which means yawning is really contagious.
Now get ready to answer the questions. You may use your notes to help you answer. 1. Why does the professor talk about Adelie penguins? 'Listen again to part of the lecture, then answer the question.
I believe that people yawn when there is too much carbon dioxide and not enough oxygen in their blood.
Good answer, but actually, that's just a theory.
2. Why does the professor say this?
That's just a theory.
3. According to the lecture, what can be concluded about yawning?